To Let's Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Convert HTML Entities. It looks like a pretty simple one. We have to convert the characters, the ampersand sign, the less than, the greater than, the double quote, and the apostrophe in a string into their corresponding HTML entities. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up a list of HTML entities. So we're just going to grab this right here, and then we're going to open up a new browser tab, dump that right in, and we're going to see what we get. Oh, here we go. Nice list of HTML entities, and this is exactly what we're looking for. So now we can jump right back in here, and we can get rid of whatever the hell that is. And first step is we're going to split our string into a list. So we're going to call it list, and we're going to say var list is equal to string dot split, and we're going to split on every character. So we're going to be returning list.join once we've replaced all the characters in it. And now, here in the middle, we check each character to change if it's a HTML character. Oops. So, let's get right into it. We're going to start with a for loop. We're going to say for var x equals 0, x is less than list.length. List is an array, and we can call the length property on it x plus plus. Now inside our for loop here, we're going to have a switch statement, and it's going to switch based on list.x, which is going to give us our value from that item in the array. And now we're going to write cases for each of them, because we have only a few here, so using a switch statement isn't really an issue. So we're going to say case ampersand case less than case greater than case double quotes. I'm going to put that in single quotes because if we try and put 3 double quotes in a row, it's going to have trouble understanding. Another way you could do this is by doing an escape key and then a double quote inside a double quote if you so chose. But just to make it a little easier, I'm just going to do single quotes with a double quote wrapped around it. And then for the apostrophe case, I'll do double quotes with the apostrophe in the middle. And then we have to write a default case, and you always need to have that when using a switch statement. So we're going to start down here and just say break. That's going to end this code block and just move on to the next one. So now let's start going through and updating based on our categories. So first we're going to add a break statement into all of them, because if you don't have a return statement in your case in a switch, then it just keeps going on, matching case after case. So you can end up, say we replaced a less than sign with this symbol for it, this ampersand less than, then if we don't have the break symbol, it would then continue down our list and try and see if it found maybe the ampersand and then change it again, which is not what we want. So we're going to start here, and we're going to say list x is equal to, and we're just going to come over here and grab the ampersand, and then we're just going to take this and repeat the process for every single other one. Less than, greater than, quote, and finally, oops, I'm going to grab apostrophe, and we'll do this last one. We'll say list x. That's grabbing the item from our list based on the index of it, and then we'll replace that with the apostrophe. Down here we join our list, and that's going to return a string. So now when we run our tests, everything should be good. And there we go. something's wrong. So let's see which one is wrong. So we've got all of them except Schindler's List. So let's console.log our list.join statement to see what it is we're getting down here. And we'll bring up our console to see what's going on with that. Let's run the tests again. Oh, okay. And we're getting a lot of spaces in there. Lots and lots of spaces. So it looks like everything's working well. It's just adding tons of spaces. Here we go. We had a space in there. So that's the problem. Let's run the tests again. And we passed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.